Hey Teabags, what's going on? And today we are doing a video on another tech that I actually got quite a while ago, and I also got my license for it, even though it probably don't need a license because it's underweight. But I got a drone and we're going to be testing it out today. It's called the HOVERAir, I think, one. But we're going to be testing it out today. It is a little bit windy, but we're going to be doing it. My dad's down there mowing the grass. I don't know if you can see him, but he's doing his job with the new mower. But we're going to be testing this drone out. I've tested it a little bit now, and now it is under a certain amount of weight, so you can use it, but it's a unique drone. I don't know much about drones. I know a few things, and it's a unique drone because you don't have to control it. It's literally controls itself. It's got like follow, it's got tracking, it's got pretty much all the stuff that you need. There's an app that it comes with, and you can set it to go high. You can have manual controls as well, but you don't actually need the manual controls to use it. It's got a little button on top, and yeah, we're going to be using it. And also, if you go in the app, you can actually use the microphone on it as well, so it can actually hear you, and then it dampers the sounds of the propellers. But yeah, we're going to be testing this. Let's see how this goes. We're going to be testing it going all the way up of, I think, 15 meters on the bird's eye, and then just testing it over the day. But yeah, let's do this and see how it goes. So now we're on the app, and then we have to go check the settings to see if they're alright. As you can see, you've got all different settings. You've got hover, I don't know if you can see that on the camera. You've got hover, zoom out, follow, orbit, and bird's eye. We're going to be doing bird's eye, so that's the one that goes up. So we have to switch the mode.
Zoom out, follow, orbit, bird eye.
So I don't know how this is going to go, and I don't know how high it's going to go. 15 meters. So it's going to go quite high. Let's give it a shot then. Better to do it in the middle. So what you do is click it once.
15 meters, bird eye.
And then it should just go up. And we'll see how it goes. And I think it will spin as well. I think it'll do a little spin. Should do a, yeah, it's doing a little spin. And now it's coming down. And there you go. Yeah, it's. I think it struggled a little bit there, but apart.
It's windy up there.
Yeah, but
It's still windy up there, you know.
I think it did all right, didn't it?
Yeah.
Personally. So yeah, it gave me an error on the app saying end the flight, wind, yeah. So it knows when there's a wind.
Yeah.
But if I go to the album, I have to be connected indoors because you have to be connected on Wi-Fi. It still captured something. So yeah, I'm going to play around with it, see what it can and can't do.
Yeah, there's a lot of wind up there when you get up there.
There is.
So, not bad, is it?
Not really, no. So yeah, I don't know if you got all that, but it's really hard to control the Pocket 3 when it's on my chest. But if I just quickly spin it off for a sec. The magnet's very strong on this. Yeah, it does not doing too bad, but it actually tells you if there's like a problem. So let me have this on tracking. Come on, track me. There we go. It actually tells you if there's actually a problem with it, like if there's a lot of wind up there. But like now, I'm going to put it on follow.
Custom. Hover. Zoom out. Follow.
So I'm going to put it on follow. I have to have my other hand out, so this is a bit awkward. But apart from that,
Continue. Follow.
so you see it take off. And then it should just follow me. I don't know if you can see it behind me, but yeah, it should just literally follow me where I'm going. It's there. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I don't know how avoiding it is. So say if I go in here, will it go in here or will it crash? Oh, it's actually coming. I don't know if you can see that or it's just focusing on me. Oh, it's gonna hit something. Let's see if we go forward. It got through it! It literally got through it! Yo! Okay, let me just put this back to normal real quick. I don't know if it's not focused on me. But it's there. Hopefully you can see it, because I can't see because the sun's hitting the screen. But it should be just chilling and following me. And then if I put my hand out, eventually it'll come to me. Maybe, maybe not. And there you go. Not bad, not bad. So I don't know, like, it kind of hit this tree here and it struggled a little bit, but it didn't really have a problem. It got over it quite well. Now, it's not going to be the best drone, but for the price and for the easy action of not having to control it and the AI, pretty decent. It's pretty decent, I would say. Now, I don't know how good in terms of the other things, features, but I know it's got a feature where you can actually use your phone to, like, use the audio. I don't know how this is going to work, so I'm going to stop this and see how that works. And we're going to put it on the just the normal talking one, like the what is it called? The poly thing. Hold on, let me see what it's called.
Custom. Dolly track.
Dolly track, poly. But yeah, I'll be back in a second. So this is on dolly track right now, and I think it's using my microphone on my phone, but I'm not 100% sure. So basically dolly track, it will follow me, and also if I go forward to it, it will also follow me. So I think it will follow me pretty much. It's coming really closer to me. So I don't know, it's recording, but I don't know if it's using my voice. As you can see, it's very windy, and I don't know what it's actually doing. I don't know if it's recording my voice. I could tell it to land, tap manual controls, but I believe it's going to use my voice. There is a lot of wind, so it might have some errors, and if it does, it will make the drone drop and land. But I can also land it on my phone as well. So say if I come back over here, I can make it automatically land, like right now. So it will cut me off, but I'm going to make it land. I think it'll be fine. But there we go. The red light's on now, so that means it's recorded. I've moved the orbit around, so it's not kind of hitting anything. But now it should be pretty much fine. But over there, it did hit the tree. So I'm pretty much testing the microphone on my phone all the time. If it like works, then that's pretty cool. But most of the time, I'm just going to mute it and have it for like weird shots of me going in or out. It's like, as you can see, it tracks like the Pocket 3. Now it's lost me. But if I come back over here, it should find me and just come to me. I think, I don't know. I like it. I like the drone. It's very easy use. You can get it out quickly and you're sorted. Like my little device over here, the Pocket 3, is perfect with combination with this. So I can kind of get over headshots and use this for vlogs as well. It's just amazing, personally. But yeah, I'm going to go inside and edit all these. I've got 45% battery left on the drone and see what happens, I guess. So there you go. That is the drone. It's called the Hover X1, I think. And as you can see, it's following me from behind me right now. Don't have to do really, no. Nothing. Most of the time I'll be speaking into this. But it's kind of windy, but it's still working. I have to keep looking behind me just in case if it's there. But then again, if it hits something, I think I'll hear the sound. I don't know if you can hear the sound of the drone, but pretty much you'll know what I mean. But thank you, Teabags, for watching this video. I hope this is interesting enough, but I will be using that drone more often, and obviously the DJI Pocket 3, because I don't know, personally, these two are a great combination. I don't know, I just love them both, and I can't from now on, getting this drone and having this DJI Pocket 3, I can't live without them, you know what I mean? I've got 2 batteries for this, and this has got an extension cable. I think I'm fine anywhere I go. I've got a drone, I've got this, and also that is a small drone as well, so it's pretty much under the weight limit of certain drones, you know what I mean? But thank you, Teabags. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you next time on whatever I do.